Hello everyone, welcome to visit Fridge-Kenkuhl Alibaba website. Today let me introduce our hot-selling display cooler for you. The product is biggest feature is a small footprint. We don't have to sacrifice too much space for it. The LED illumination increasing display area. The glass door is double-layer tempered glass with low UV fill. The handle is interior. Look inside. The LED light enhancing display effect. The shelf is adjustable. Also, the shelf type is optional. The lock and key is optional. Advanced electric controller for seamless operation. Of course, if you have any other customer request, kindly let us know. We could do OEM and ODM for you. Thank you.